kalong ka ka ba ay men sim bat ka papan kemen ye kinong rep Sohtrun jong ka jela da ka jingla ban penya yeu bha yau Sohtrun ha ka tamasa Sohtrun la ne ka Meghalaya Pineapple Festival arhajar arpun riu ka bala penlong lais ngilenter hanong ba Delhi ya ka ne ka tamasa Sohtrun las dang menta ka sngi ka shphoterik bat on pun kut pat ha ka sngi ublei ka khat atrik unaitung arhajar arpun riu ha Dilli Haat ha New Delhi hakan ni kasngi lawan ban plipaj ba daw menteri ka sarkar pedeng uba depej ya katanat communication and development of northeastern region ujo tiradia Sindia ha ka jingya don lang menteri rang ba ka jella u Konrad Konggal Sangma u commissioner ba secretary ka sarkar jella u Vijay Kumar key officer bat kinong rem katkum ka jingyo lum jingtip la thu ba ha ka ni ka tamasa ka balais ngilenter la leira ya u Sohtrun na la ka jong ka jella kumba arpsan metric ton bat lawan bane simbenta hadu aspa san phongut kinong rem bat kinong sengkam la jong na kaleng ka district ban peniaj bandi ya kite ki marem ha ka ni ka sngi la sakhiru ba kinong Delhi bat kinong Meghalaya ki basa kanong ba Delhi nalor kiwi ki breu ki badon kanong ba ha ka ba kila penpau ba Sohtrun ulong ubabang ba ubatiang tam
देश के 36 राज्य और यूनियन टेरिटरियों में हमारा एक हीरा और एक पन्ना है। The focus on pineapple in Meghalaya, the way the state of Meghalaya has integrated with the farmers. We heard Rubina ji's story today on this munch. And there are multiple Rubina Sangmas across the length and breadth of my Meghalayan state, which houses tremendous capability, diversity, whether in her nature, with the living root tree bridges, the Meghalayan caves, whether in her natural resources, whether it be pineapple, her turmeric, her ginger, whether it be in her people, that have a tremendous capability for entrepreneurship. The capability of cultivating pineapple has grown by leaps and bounds in the last decade in Meghalaya. 12,000 hectares in every sector of the state, from the East Garo Hills to Ribhoy, to Khasi, to Jantia Hills, all are full of pineapple farming. Close to 12,000 hectares, 1.4 lakh metric tons of production. And what I have really appreciated in this enterprise is the way the government has worked with all our farmers and our farmer producing organizations, our FPOs. Whether it is our MLAM program, whether it is our CM Farm program, Meghalaya's organic mission, setting a target of 1 lakh hectares to be under cultivation in the next couple of years, affecting close to the livelihood of close to 90,000 farmers across the state. And I see this across every aspect. The people-to-people connection, the people-to-people contact that the state of Meghalaya is pursuing across every single dimension. And therefore the donor ministry, in line with the Prime Minister's vision, that the Ashtalakshmi has to herald a new dawn for India. And these 8 states, close to 4.5 crore population, a huge demographic dividend, 80% of the population below the age of 30, very high literacy rates, above 93%. They pose the potential to be the engines of growth of Viksit Bharat 2047.